Cat's Eye Gemstone. What is chatoyance? Chatoyance is an optical phenomenon in which a band of reflected light known as a cat's eye moves just beneath the surface of a cabochon cut gemstone. Chrysoberyl and tiger's eye are two of the best known gem materials that exhibit this phenomenon. Excellent specimens of chrysoberyl exhibit the finest chatoyance, and tiger's eye is the chatoyant gem most widely used in jewelry. Chatoyance occurs in stones that contain a large number of very thin parallel inclusions within the stone, known as a silk. The light reflects from these inclusions to form a thin band across the surface of the stone. The band of light always occurs at right angles to the length of the parallel inclusions. These inclusions can be crystals, hollow tubes, or other linear structures that are present throughout the stone and are usually aligned with a crystallographic axis. Needle-like crystals of rutile and hematite are well known for producing a cat's eye in many specimens. Chatoyance, Eye of the Gate. The name chatoyance originates from the French word chatoyer, which means to shine like a cat's eye. The analogy also matches the way a cat's pupil will narrow to a thin slit under bright light. Understanding chatoyance. A good analogy for the chatoyance effect is how light reflects to form a line across the surface of a spool of silk thread. Weaving and moving a spool of silk thread under a beam of incident light can be a useful way to develop an understanding of how parallel inclusions produce an eye within a gemstone.